Aldridge Security, the UK and Ireland's largest privately owned independent security wholesaler, turns over in excess of £30 million, has nearly 70 years experience, stocks over 25,000 products, and takes 180,000 customer calls every year. So delivering the right product at the right price, on time, every time, really is a core commitment and critical to the ongoing success of the organisation. Offering a 24/7 online ordering facility, a same-day dispatch promise for orders received before 6 p.m. every day, and a collection option for customers means the Aldridge team needs to be on the ball when it comes to dealing with and dispatching more than 250,000 parcels every year. We've asked Aldridge Purchasing and IT Director Pat Cook to explain how, with the implementation of their new Quantum VS warehouse management system, Aldridge Security have improved efficiency, customer service, pick accuracy, and retain their place in the market.
Aldridge maintains its position in the marketplace through a dedicated focus to customer service. We do what we say we do to our customers. We make a commitment, we have a customer promise that we keep to and that all of our staff are aware of. And everything that we do is driven by customer service to ensure that the customer gets the right product at the right price on time every time.
With their 24/7 online ordering facility, huge stock holding, and an immense number of sales calls taken annually, Aldridge finds that their same-day dispatch promise to anywhere in the UK for orders received by 6 p.m. generates a huge spike in demand late in the day, which was clearly going to put pressure on any manual order administration and picking process.
If we didn't have barcoding, we would have massive problems in terms of stock recognition from the pickers in the warehouse. The fact that they are able to identify the correct location to go and pick the product for, and to then scan a barcode on the product to confirm that they've got exactly the right product, makes it pretty much foolproof.
In a busy sales environment with a large volume of calls, visibility and speed of access to key information is paramount to servicing customers quickly and effectively. With Quantum VS, the status of all sales orders is displayed in real time and all of the relevant picking information instantly visible. This enables staff to identify any issues or notify amendments to orders quickly and more efficiently. It also provides accurate up-to-date information instantly, which is always reassuring for the customer at the other end of the phone.
The problems with the old system was that people would try and not pick with the gun. They would try and pick manually in the belief it was quicker. They'd pick with the paper pick list all the time. But if people don't read the note properly, then that gets missed. Errors crop in. A lot of the problems we were experiencing were pick errors, people picking the wrong products from the wrong bin location. With the advent of this new barcoding system we've been using now, our error rate is down to perhaps maybe 2 or 3 a month, if that.
Our orders are processed either through our sales office, and they may be faxed orders, they may be an email attachment, or it could be a phone call into the sales office environment. The orders are then put into Quantum VS, and the order then prints off into the warehouse, produces a picking note. The pickers down in the warehouse would then take a barcode scanner, they'll scan the pick note number, and that will then direct them round the warehouse in the most efficient route to pick all of the products and the quantities that the customer has requested. At the stage then that they've finished picking, they'll confirm the pick and a nice clean dispatch note then appears, and that then is packed with the goods and sent out via carrier for a next day delivery.
The goods inwards activities of acceptance and new stock storage are both labour-intensive processes requiring management, as accuracy of location and availability are of paramount importance. How can technology ensure a more effective use of labour?
With the Quantum warehouse management system, the goods in process is now split into 2 distinct functions. We have a goods receiving team that place the products into a temporary location. For this, we can utilise some of our experienced staff who understand the product and have the product knowledge. Once in the temporary location, our sales team have got full visibility of that product and can sell it, and it can be picked and sold from the temporary location. The benefit that it gives is that we can then utilise other staff within the warehouse to do the put away process, because the product is already then labelled up. The guns are telling the staff what the product is and which location they need to put it in, and that's getting verified when they do the goods in process. By doing this, it enables us to utilise staff throughout the course of the day to our busier times. Towards the end of the day, we're really busy picking and dispatching orders, so then we can utilise some of the people that have been doing the put away process to ensure that we're getting all of our parcels out on time. If a product comes into the building that has no barcode label on it, then we can produce our own barcode labels at the goods in process. We have Datamax printers to enable this, and we also have Zebra printers as well that the operators can carry around on their belts to produce barcode labels whenever required.
Stock taking for a product base exceeding 25,000 lines could be time consuming.
Everything within the application is real time, so the stock is real. That stock availability is not only available to our sales offices, but it's also available to our e-business partners because of the web services provided by EDP.
The bit I like is to assist me is the stock control. With a product inventory, I can see what the stock level is, what orders we got in progress. It enables me to see what stock needs to get booked on quicker, what orders need to get out in time order. Stock taking is a lot quicker process as well.
We have a 50,000 square foot distribution centre now in Birmingham. So inter-branch transfers are nice and simple. Our purchasing team can identify products that are required for each individual branch. They will process an IBT in the same way that they would process a purchase order. The guys in the warehouse would then pick that in exactly the same way that they would pick a sales order, and it's received in the other branch and processed in the same way as if it had come through from a supplier. Quantum VS has helped our business through improved efficiencies. So for Aldridge, we see even further growth over the coming years. We work very, very closely with EDP, with their development teams and with their sales teams to make sure that the application best meets our processes and practices.
Throughout the business, from the sales office through to delivery, the Quantum VS Warehouse module is helping to strengthen and streamline Aldridge's in-house processes.